that we cut up and made into pretty much a trophy truck pre-runner. So
protectors.
You gotta have your Rockford Fosgate kit in it.
Keep everything neat and tidy, and there's one and only Rick Geiser himself here. Go over Steve Olikis's relatively brand new pre-runner. It's got about 2,000 miles on it, give or take a bit. So what do we got here, Rick? This is the first aluminum cab pre-runner to be finished.
Pretty much we built it for Steve Olikis. He took it down the Baja 1000, pre-ran with it. New 2018 Raptor that we cut up and made into pretty much a trophy truck pre-runner. So all the same components that his trophy truck has, all the same wheels, brakes, hubs, everything's interchangeable off of this. So the one thing about this is this has a steering box in it with rocker steering. So just a different than we usually put a rack and pinion in. Got a Dugan's 450 Ford in it with a Rancho Turbo 400. Fox shocks. Pretty much same thing that he has on his Fox trophy truck that he's been racing for 3 or 4 years. And then really just all powder coated everything. We fit and finished everything because it was the first one. You know, we got fiberglass and you know, the wheel well wasn't big enough, and then it didn't match the body, and then the fenders were too long in the back, and then they were too skinny, and then they were, so really we spent probably about a month just on making this fiberglass fit our truck or our build. So
go over some of the front end with us, Rick. This is actually factory Ford.
It's all Raptor. Everything is factory Ford. Steve owns Team Ford in Vegas, so if you guys need any trucks, he'd hook you up. So but all, you know, Steve being a Ford guy, I want everything brand new Ford. Same with the inside. We'll show you all the door panels were all brand new, even though it was a pretty clean truck when we cut up, but you know, original stuff. So it's all you know, the fit and finish had to be just like a brand new Raptor. So. And
you were talking a minute ago about the brakes and everything. These are all the same brakes and everything that are available on our trophies.
It's got Brembo 6 piston on it, and then that's all hubs we build and in-house on our Haas CNC machine. So. And of course, BF Goodrich tires, KMC forged machete wheels. Of course, every pre-runner tears their mirrors off, so we built mirrors that don't tear off. So it's
before we
got
go
a little bit of Fox. You can't see it much because it's like ghosted into it, but stickered in it. But
before we go inside, let's go to the back and kind of go over how many gallons of fuel does it hold.
95 gallons, 2 spare tires. It's licensed, registered. We drive it. It's pretty much, you can take it to the grocery store or McDonald's, go get you a hamburger if you wanted to. So. Jack up there, Fluidine coolers, Safecraft fire extinguishers. This is sway bar stuff that we build here in-house there also. It's a little dirty, as in we've been taking it to the grocery store and playing around, so.
Let's get a shot for you guys under here. Same shocks, everything's interchangeable to our race trucks. We do that on purpose. Personal experience. What was it, 2010 or 12 Baja 1000? We took all the hubs and brakes off of one of the pre-runners to keep race truck going.
So. Yeah, I think it was point-to-point Baja. We took them off for a Bally's truck. We broke the brake rotor off and tore the hub up, and so. Same thing, we build all the sheet metal dash, all the controls, locks, everything. Everything works. Mark at WireFab does all our wiring. A little bit of James Lynn programming and helping out.
We even have our carbon Kevlar.
Yeah, and you gotta have your protectors. You gotta have your Rockford Fosgate kit in it.
You gotta bump for sure. Well, if you're not bumping, you got to make sure you have all of your Aviation Bose headsets. That way it sounds.
Two radios.
Two radios, have to have a
Cruise
backup.
control, read this right here. It's got cruise control and stuff, so just like your brand new Raptor has. Just a little different.
It's basically a Raptor, just different.
It's got an AC unit in the front. It's got an AC unit in the back. It's got an ARB refrigerator over there. You can
That's
see
for
it.
the groceries, so when you go to the grocery store,
Gotta have
you can
that.
keep everything cool or frozen, whichever you want. Sparco race seats. I know Steve wanted a very racy interior on this one.
There's show them the storage there underneath there.
So we got
Storage
built-in
up at the top.
built-in toolboxes, built-in strap.
Same thing, another toolbox here.
Keep everything neat and tidy, and there's also a twin to the toolbox here on the other side that holds all of your oils. Safecraft.
Hey, same thing out of a Raptor. You got to get that in there.
Oh, yep. So these are, let's get it cleaned off for you guys, but this is actually out of a Raptor. We adapted them into the floor. Keep it all factory.
You got his 27 is Steve's number on his trophy truck. So.
Yep. So everything ready to go. Won the show and shine at the UTV Offroad Expo last weekend. All LED lighting inside. Safecraft fire extinguishers outside, inside, and
2 fire systems.
just in case things get really crazy, 2 Safecraft fire bottles underneath the halon system. How many I know these things have Steve definitely started a trend here. What's the running total? How many of these do we have on order now?
We did the last Prerunner we built was about 5 years ago, and then all of a sudden it sort of went crazy. We got 5 more going right now, so this will be one of the 5. So we got 4 more still to go. One's on the fixture, one's already welded. We got 2 more that we still haven't even started yet.